Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the iPad model and iPad OS version so the device supports external drives. This avoids unexpected incompatibility. Once done, attach a powered USB hub or the correct Lightning adapter. The iPad 9th generation often needs external power to run an SSD reliably. Make sure the SSD is formatted to XFAT or apps. This lets files read and write without permission problems. Now plug the SSD into the hub. Then connect the hub to the iPad. You're ready for the next steps. You'll see the SSD appear in Files under Locations. Tap it to mount. Next, create folders to mirror your workflow. This prevents accidental overwrites and improves transfer speed. To move items, long press or use Select then Move. Drag and drop between iPad storage and the SSD, which preserves metadata when using XFAT or apps. If you have many files, use Split View or an external keyboard to speed selection and copy operations. Once transfers finish, verify a few files open correctly before ejecting. You finish by safely ejecting the SSD from files. Tap the eject icon so the system flushes caches and avoids corruption. If the drive doesn't show up, check that the hub has power, the cable is high quality, and the SSD is not in a proprietary format. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, reconnect the SSD to a Mac or PC to run Disk Utility First Aid or reformat to XFAT/apps. That usually resolves errors. Then retry connecting to the iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.